Giffard Street, Williamstown Beach. It's got the Barker Technic bells. They got flat boom gates now. Used to have the wishbone boom gates. That's a surprise. Anyways, let's wait for the train like usual. Okay, it is coming right now. I swear, I see these bells everywhere. I don't hear them anymore. Looks like a very old level crossing. The crossing sound very quiet. Those bells. Yeah, that's an Alstrom Commons train. He's going slow. Oh my. Oh well. I'll do that stuff. I cannot believe what he just did. Oh well, let's go on the other side. Okay, I'm recording from this side now. You might see the beach over there. Anyways, let's wait like usual. Okay, the level crossing now just started. Let's see. Okay. Mate, the train's stuck right there. I wonder what happened. But that's a shit extrapless train. Oh, there we go. The train's going now. I think the same. Let's go the train. Bro, the Alstom Commons is so much better. Not that stupid extrapless. Come on, I wanted the Commons to show. I want the Alstom Commons to show, not the stupid extrapless. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next level crossing and train video. Bye.